First, for the dry ingredients, you need 1.5 cups of flour.
Then to the flour, add 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
Now add 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder to the dry ingredients.
Mix it all together and you know you got the best of both worlds.
Now add 1/2 cup of butter to the mixer to start out the wet ingredient.
Now add 1 cup of sugar to the butter. Let's get it all in.
Cream the butter and the sugar together.
Stir the sugar until it looks like this.
Fluffy.
Fluff. Add 2 eggs into the butter and sugar mixture. Mix it slowly. Add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract into the mixture.
Mix until blended.
Add 1/2 cup of milk to the mixture.
Mix slowly. Gradually add in 1/3 of a cup into the mixture and then blend. Yeah, I go fast.
Trace out the size of your baking pan and cut around it so you have a perfect circle to fill your pan to make sure your cake does not stick.
To make this cake, let's do 4 layers, which means you need to double the cake and frosting recipe.
In order to make the cakes evenly cook in the oven, you need to have the same amount of mixture to each pan. So divide the mixture 1/3 of a cup at a time into 4 bowls and color them accordingly.
Food coloring is really strong, you don't have to add a lot to the batter.
Second batch of cake batter done, you can add 1/3 cup into each bowl. You can add more color if you need it because adding more cake mix will dilute the color.
Pour each color into the cake pan. Put your cake pan in the 400-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes.
Next, we'll be making basic buttercream
You
frosting.
need 2 sticks of butter to your frosting. Add 3 cups of powdered sugar to your frosting. Add 1 tablespoon of milk. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Mix until combined. Whoa. First, put a layer of buttercream frosting to act as a glue for the next layer.
Next, add the second layer of cake. Notice this one has the hole in it for the candy to fit in. Next, frost the inner layer of your second layer. Now add a layer of frosting around the second edge of your cake to act as a glue for the third layer. Now add your third layer, and this one also has the hole in it because you need 2 layers to have the hole in it to fit all the candy. Again, frost the inner layer of this third layer of cake.
If your cake cracks like ours did, just put frosting over it to cover the crack.
More frosting would be nice.
I'm going!
Now we're gonna fill the cake with our candy, and notice that we don't put the top layer on because we have to fill it from 30. Fill it to the top.
Good.
Perfect.
Oh,
Now we're putting on our final layer, so you're just gonna put it on there really nice. Now we're gonna frost the whole cake.
To make the edges of our cake smoother, we dip our knife in milk and spread it on the cake.
For our final touch, we're going to decorate with rainbow sprinkles.
This is a finished cake.
It's delicious.
How's the cake?